Fudge. Alright, well, I guess unfortunately I didn't hit record right, and yeah, we didn't get, well, we got this connector on here, and we didn't get the, well, we made this connector. So, but, I mean, oh well. So I guess we'll do like a short 3-minute video of it, apparently, unfortunately. Well, we got this, so it's a short 3-minute video. Because unfortunately, the first one that I did here, yeah, I wasn't doing the recording. But yeah, these are just short little jumpers, so we can use different batteries with the Vortex. So we're gonna test them when we do the video on the Vortex. Hopefully, you'll check it out. It should go live later on today. So we're gonna, yeah, we're gonna do that video. I'll charge up a battery. Check it out. So hopefully you'll check it out. All right, thank you. If you like this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button, and if you like the content, subscribe. All right, check you out later.